Help me right now! Get me out! They're fucking dogs! They're fucking dogs!
Calm down, please.
No, I don't.
Yes.
I'm Jesus Christ's daughter.
I'm not doing this tonight with you. I'm not. I'm not. You could talk.
I am the law.
This is Lindsay. She claims to be the daughter of Jesus Christ and asserts a biblical authority that she believes supersedes the state. But what she doesn't realize is that her refusal to pipe down, her physical strikes against the officers, and her repeated insults aren't just a simple breakdown, they are the legal triggers for a series of crimes that could cost her a decade of her life. It all begins when officers Killian and Hunter arrive at the motel where she was staying, following a report of a disturbance. Lindsay was in the middle of a heated phone argument with someone named Kenny and refused to calm down. Very quickly, the situation spirals out of control.
Let's call him right now. Here we go. Kenny, talk to him.
Who is this?
Kenny. Talk to Kenny.
Hey, Kenny.
Tell him you're...
Do you have a phone?
No, this is it.
Okay. What's going on, Kenny?
Nope. Don't listen
Yeah,
to a word.
you can't be.
Don't listen to a word he
They
said.
called on you. They called on you. That's why I'm here.
Called for me. I asked them to call. Did listen to me.
Do you need to go to the hospital?
No.
Because I'm not dealing with you all night screaming and causing this, okay? Here, Kenny, I'm going to hang up now. Kenny's not involved. It's between me and you. Lindsay.
They called for me. I asked them to call.
Okay.
I asked them to call for you.
For what?
To get Kenny.
I can't control Kenny what Kenny does. Kenny's a grown adult.
Expired plates.
Okay, well, he's all the way in Kankakee. There's nothing I can do for
He's
that.
here.
Oh, he's here?
Yes.
Where at?
And he said 47.
Okay, well, if we find him, we find him. You need to stop screaming.
It's Bolo.
Calm down, please.
No, I don't.
Yes.
I'm Jesus Christ's
'Cause
daughter.
I'm not doing this tonight with you. I'm not. I'm not. You could talk.
I am the law.
Calm down. Calm down.
I'm the law.
Okay, well, be the law quietly. Okay?
Okay, when I scream, it's Dad. And when I don't,
there's no
it's
screaming.
not.
Stop screaming. Stop.
Don't tell me.
You're going to get kicked out of here. Do you want that? Lindsay.
Lindsay, do you want to talk to me instead of him?
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
Seriously, we go way back. You and I.
I don't know you.
I don't care.
Okay.
You know Jesus Christ, right?
Yeah.
He's my dad. I told you that.
Yeah.
Okay? His name is Dennis Glenn Panfill. In the physical form.
Yeah.
Okay?
I heard you.
He had me with my mom, Susan Marie Panfill.
Yeah.
I am goddamn Lindsay Marie Christ. So I have the fucking authority and the fucking everything that my dad had.
Okay.
Back in the day, in biblical times. I have it all.
I understand what you're saying. Okay, but he wouldn't. Your
But.
father.
Don't
your
say
father,
but. Don't say but. Don't speak for my dad.
Okay, your father would not want you to be disruptive.
Don't speak for my dad. Only I can speak for my dad.
Lindsay is in the throes of a grandiosity delusion. Under Florida Statute Section 877.03, it is stipulated that anyone who commits an act of a nature to corrupt the public morals or disturb the peace and quiet of those around them is guilty of a second-degree misdemeanor. By persistently screaming after multiple warnings, Lindsay meets every legal element of this offense.
Are you disturbed or feeling, distraught or anything like that?
I can give her one chance,
Okay.
but if I call you guys again, this he has to be.
Well, I figured I'd ask because if you feel disturbed and uncomfortable, we can arrest her for disorderly. So that's why I want to know. If any of you two feel uncomfortable or disturbed, we can take action right now.
Yeah, go ahead and take her out. We don't want any problem causing other people getting.
Okay. So I want to make. So you do feel uncomfortable, disturbed? Okay.
Lindsay, it's Officer Killian.
Listen, I'm calm. I'm in my room. I'm not stepping outside.
Okay, come here.
No.
Nope, you're under arrest. Come here.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Come here.
No, I'm not.
Come here. You're under arrest.
No,
Come.
I'm not.
Lindsay, give me your
No,
hand.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Yes. Stop.
No, I'm not.
Stop.
Damn it.
Stop.
No, I'm not. I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop. Turn around. Stop.
No, I didn't.
We're gonna charge you with resisting. Stop.
No, damn it. I didn't say it. God damn it. God damn it. Kenny!
Here, roll her my way.
Kenny!
Hold that arm.
Stop holding it. Keep on kicking me.
You're dead, by the way. You're dead. I can't do that.
I'm pulling you up. Come on.
Amidst the chaos, Lindsay lunges and kicks toward the officer's face. Unlike passive resistance, Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting officer with violence upgrades a minor offense to a third-degree felony.
Stop it. Stop.
I will fuck die by your fucking
Going this way, Hunter.
Give
This
a
way.
shit. Hunter, that's your name? Oh, Hunter. Hunter, goddamn Killian.
Wait.
Ouch.
Your toe's bleeding?
I don't know what you did to him. What'd you do to him? You did to him. You're a fucking liar! He's a fucking liar! Let me go! Let me go in now! Help! Help me! Help me! Help!
Hey, stop banging.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Right now, you
Calm
guys!
down.
Help me! Get me out of this right now!
No.
Get me out! They're fucking dogs! They're fucking dogs! My dad doesn't want me in jail! My dad doesn't want me in jail! I don't need to be in jail! My dad is watching all the time! You taking me to the hospital or what?
Taking you to jail.
So my dad sent you, right?
Why do you think your dad sent me?
You're not doing the right thing. You're dead! Especially for not having your fucking body cam on.
Body cam's been on the whole time, Lindsay.
So you've been doing the right thing, and
Yes.
that's how I know my dad sent you.
I came because the owner of the hotel called.
Doesn't matter! You're fucking dead! Fucking dead! You die! Unless you repent and fucking ask for forgiveness. You need to fast for 3 fucking days straight. Nothing but water. And Celtic salt and Himalayan salt or lemon with it. Okay? Calhoun, do what's right and take me back and let me go. Or my dad's killing me.
Hey, Lindsay, he's gonna check your toe real quick.
Do you know I'm Jesus Christ's daughter?
I got you.
Do you understand? This is my blood.
Okay.
And I shed tonight for us. You better let me go.
You got it right.
I will bomb this whole goddamn place if that's not. Put me in fucking hell. And I don't care.
Making threats to kill, cause bodily harm, or commit an act of terrorism is a serious crime. Stating, "I'm going to plant a bomb," is never taken lightly by authorities, even if the suspect appears psychologically unstable. Lindsay thought her religious identity granted her sovereign immunity. The legal reality is quite different. The final charges include felony battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, criminal threats. She wanted to play the I am the law game. The justice system answered back with 3 major felony counts. Don't forget to check out our other analysis videos and subscribe to the channel.